Hello, my name is Walter. Today we are going to see order of operation, PEMDAS. In this video, we are going to see a couple of questions and we are going to do together. Order of operation, PEMDAS is like instruction that lead us on doing the question that have various operations. Let's dive in and see how we can do it. We have question number 1 here, which say 5 plus 6 multiply by 7, 9 divided by 3. Now let's go and get instruction from PEMDAS. Do we have any parentheses? We don't have any parentheses. Do we have any exponent to work on? We don't have any exponent. Do we have any multiplication or division? Yes, we have multiplication and division, but the direction that we are going to follow is from left to right. So I'll start with multiplication. Six multiplied by 7, I'm going to get 42, and I will drop the rest thing, that is 5 plus, and then here I will drop minus 9 divided by 3. Again, I'm going to get instruction from PEMDAS. Do I have any parentheses? I don't have any parentheses. I have any exponents? I don't have any exponents. Do you have any multiplication or division? Yes, I have division here. So I'll go on and divide here. So I have this part. 9 divided by 3, I'll get 3. Then I'll go further and drop all the things that remain. That is going to be 5 plus 42. Then here I have take away sign. So we have 5 plus 42 minus 3. Again, I'm going to get instruction from PEMDAS. Do I have any parentheses? No, I don't have any parentheses. Do I have any exponents? I don't have any exponent. Do I have any multiplication or division? No. Did I have any addition, subtraction? Yes, I have, but my direction is from left to right. So I'll start with these two addition here. I'll add 5 plus 42. I'm going to get 47. Then I'll drop the rest. Did I have any parentheses? No. Did I have any exponents? No. Did I have any multiplication? No. Did I have any division? No. Any addition or subtraction? Yes, I have subtraction here. So the direction is from left to right. That is going to be 47, take away 3, which we are going to get 44. We have question number 2, where we have 48 divided by, in the parentheses, 8 plus 16 in the parentheses, multiplied by 9. So again, we are going to be led by PEMDAS, and our direction is from left to right. So do we have any parentheses? Yes, and we have two parentheses, outer parentheses, and we have inner parentheses. So I'm going to start with inner parentheses. The direction is from left to right. So I'm going to work here. That is going to be 8 plus 16, which is going to be 24. And I will drop the rest. Did I have any parentheses? Yes. Still, I suppose to work on the big parentheses. Again, I'm going to get instruction from PEMDAS. Do I have any parentheses? Yes, I have parentheses here. So I'm going to work with these two here. So the direction is from left to right. That is going to be 48 divided by 24, which I'm going to get 2. And then out of parentheses, multiply by 9. Did I have any parentheses? No. Did I have any exponent to work on? No. Did I have multiplication? Yes, I have multiplication, which is going to be 2 multiplied by 9. But I'm going to get 18. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.